Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be looking at touch-up paint. So the first thing you're going to need is the paint coat off your car. So that's usually found here inside the door jamb. So where you'll see the invoice sticker for the car, you will also see where it will say an exterior paint with a code. So for an example, this is a 2004 SVT Cobra in screaming yellow. So it says exterior paint. The code is D6. So they will need that information, the year of the car, everything like that. And so this is what the system will come with, is the base coat, and then it will have a clear coat. So as you see here, I've ordered the correct one here. It's 2004 Ford screaming yellow. It had the D6 paint code there. And then you have a clear coat pen for touching it up afterwards. Now with touch-up paint, first of all, it's like regular paint. You're going to want to shake it up. You're going to want to use good techniques with it. And on this one, basically what it is a paint pen. So if you look at the tip here, when you first open it, there's nothing on it. So what you're going to do is put it down on a piece of paper, and you're going to push down up and down on it until the paint starts to flood the actual marker. And so with this paint, just remember it's brand new, so you want to check it against your car, because your car may be faded if it was out in the sun a lot. My car, luckily enough, has been in the garage a lot, so it hasn't really had a lot of fading. So it should match okay, but then keep in mind that the base coat color also may not match perfectly without the clear coat on top. Now, as you can see here, there's a little chip out of the paint, and that's basically what we're going to try to correct. So you're just going to put the paint pen over it and dab it until it fills it in. Of course, it's not going to be completely perfectly smooth when it's all said and done, because it's not sprayed on evenly. So this is just kind of helping so that it's not as noticeable. So when we're all said and done, you'll have the similar paint. Your eyes will kind of blend it together as you're looking at it from a few feet away, and it just isn't as much as an eyesore. So anyway, that's all we're going to do with it. There's a scrape behind this too, as you can see. And so we're just dabbing it in there to kind of fill it in, and we can go later and put the clear coat over it. Now, I had actually replaced my scoops with some other factory ones, and that's really the best way to do it if it's going to be show condition and everything like that. This was the best step for me because it's factory painted and everything matches perfectly. But I'm just showing you as well kind of what it's like if you're going to be touching it up. So we're using the old scoop for that. So here it is, pretty much dried. You can see, looking at it from a few feet away, it's not as much of an eyesore. Of course, you're still going to see the indentation where damage had been made. So my advice is, unless it's a different color, don't try to touch it up. If it's really light, road chips or rock chips, in my opinion, there's nothing worse than looking at a car that has a million little speckles all over it of trying to touch it up. So this is for bigger rocks and stone chips and things like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you're already following, make sure the notification bell is on so you don't miss out on any new videos. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. Check out my Mustang playlist that I'll put in the video description. It's my Mustang Archive playlist that has all kinds of fun Mustang knowledge and trivia and fun facts. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, make sure the notification bell's on so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thanks, guys.